Put the stripper in place, get your safety gloves on, start stripping. All the way. That's it. The Pro Stripper. And now that we're done, let's see how it strips it. Cuts it real good. Strips easy, fast. Don't have to burn it to get the copper nice and clean.